Good evening, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. Today for my hashtag project share, I am going to take some regular money envelopes from the bank that you can probably pick up during the holidays. I did a couple of years ago. And we are going to turn them into a couple of fun, quick, lovely ideas, okay? Let's get started, all right? One of the things I'm going to do is, and I'm using this because it was most readily available, I'm going to just take this box apart because I need a little chipboard to go along with this. This will be a lot easier and quicker for me. Just go ahead and tear this open because it's sitting here. I am basically just recycling some chipboard. It's not heavy, but I just need something that's going to serve as a decent backer. And I want to get rid of as many of these little rough edges that I've generated in tearing this apart, okay? At the moment, I am cutting off the bottom of the envelope and I'm cutting off the flap as well, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the sides of the envelopes so that we'll only have the front of the envelope left. Now I am going to use the chipboard that I cut as my backer for the fronts that I have left. What I'm going to do is, there will be some that will have one side and there will be some that will be double-sided. Now I'm going to be trimming them down to size and cleaning off the edges. So what I've ended up doing was taking these regular money envelopes that come from the bank during the holidays, and I just made a couple of things. I turned it into bookmarks. Well, wait a minute. Okay, all of these are double-sided. Also, I created tags. Little dangling tag here, just in case somebody wanted to put it on something. Another little tag here with just a little tie to it. So the whole purpose of this particular project is to show that there's beauty everywhere, right? We can create tags, we can create bookmarks, we can do a whole lot by simply using money envelopes from the bank during the holidays. Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peas. I hope you enjoyed this little project of mine. If you would subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me again. Most importantly, take care. I greatly appreciate it. Thanks.